to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday. It could be Whiskey Wednesday. It could be Wine Wednesday. It could be just a wonderful Wednesday. Which do you choose? Last night was Taco Tuesday, where I prepared fish tacos with a cabbage and a corn slaw. It was good. Really, really good. It was fun to be able to personalize something in my kitchen. Thank God I have a wonderful library behind me that allows me to do that. The culinary world just opens up when you have such a wonderful library that, like I have. The possibilities are endless. All right, I will get that recipe up. Make it your own. Have fun with it. My notes from last night are in there, in the recipe. Use them, don't use them, it's up to you. I even have a note for next time. All right, tonight, the Culinary Expedition continues. Tonight, we're going to the very small country of Luxembourg. I had a little, not difficult time, but I had to do some searching for a recipe that, one, was affordable, and two, that just went, prepare me. I found it. I'm going to attempt the language, Bouneschlupp, which translates to green bean soup. Don't let the name fool you, because it's not just green beans. And what a time of year to get fresh green beans. All right, let's go take a look. Harbor's very simple. Being a soup, need a Dutch oven, and I need a small fry pan for some of the other items, some of the proteins. Yes, there's some proteins in this that will be used in the soup. So, small fry pan, Dutch oven, of course, like the name says, green beans. This is about 12 ounces or so of fresh green beans. The other software, half of a yellow onion, which I will do a rough dice, some yellow potato, leek. I will only use about that much of it. Celery, it actually calls for, I believe it says it's called celeric. I can't get that here in the area. Some of the other software is butter and flour. We're making a very blonde roux to start off. Kosher salt, black pepper, bacon. Yes, there's bacon in this. And I'm using some smoked brats. The recipe calls for two separate different sausages. I was able to find a smoked brat versus a beer brat. So this actually combines the two sausages. Some sour cream, and of course, water. No stocks, water. So here's the goodies for tonight's Luxembourg green bean soup. So as you know, a couple days ago, I asked for suggestions for one single day of an international recipe for next week. Because I'm taking a little bit of a break on international. Just not long, real short. So I got some suggestions, and I got a second set of suggestions based on the original suggestions. And I have proud to announce that we're going to Spain. I've already done Portugal. Now we're going to Spain. But there's a twist. We're doing Basque. That's right, folks. We're going to the Basque country. Basque is part of Spain. I already have a recipe or two picked out. That's right. You'll have to wait until the the after my menu day, when I announce my next week's menu, to see what Basque delicacy I have chosen. All right, so on this Wednesday, this wonderful Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.